If your Lennox variable capacity heat pump is making a low-frequency howl, especially on low-demand heat calls, you're not alone. This is a known issue that can drive you crazy. Okay, so first off, that low-frequency howl usually comes from the condenser fan motor bearings wearing out or getting a bit rough. To handle this, start by checking the fan motor for any signs of wear or damage. Sometimes a simple lubrication can calm the noise down, but be careful because not all motors are designed to be lubed. You'll want to check your model's manual. Also, make sure the fan blades aren't hitting anything or bent. That can cause weird noises too. If the motor bearings are shot, you might need to replace the fan motor entirely, which isn't as bad as it sounds if you hire a pro. Another tip is to clean the condenser coil because dirt and debris can cause extra strain on the motor, leading to that howl. Keep an eye on your system's vibrations too. Sometimes loose mounts or screws can amplify noises. Lastly, running your heat pump regularly through all its modes can help keep parts moving smoothly and spot issues early. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Lennox variable capacity heat pumps is ignoring unusual sounds like that low-frequency howl, which usually means the condenser fan motor bearings are going bad. Letting it run this way risks bigger damage and more expensive repairs later. Another common problem is trying to fix the motor themselves without knowing if it's lubricated or sealed. Adding oil to sealed motors just messes things up. Finally, not cleaning the condenser coil regularly causes the whole system to work harder, which wears out parts faster and creates noises. The fix? Listen closely to your heat pump. Call an HVAC pro if you hear that howl. Never add oil unless you know your motor needs it, and keep your system clean and maintained. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle or worrying about scams. It also helps contractors get more work by connecting them with people who really need their skills for projects like fixing HVAC issues or other home improvements.